2025 has emerged as one of the most exciting years for smartphones, with two flagship devices capturing the attention of technology enthusiasts worldwide. These devices are the OnePlus 15 and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Both phones were highly anticipated even before their official launch, and after release, they quickly became popular due to their advanced features, elegant design, and powerful performance. Choosing between these two devices can be challenging because both offer impressive technology in every area, from design and performance to camera capabilities and software experience. In this video, we will look closely at both devices, explain their strengths and weaknesses, and help viewers understand which phone may be the better choice for their daily needs. Let us begin with the OnePlus 15, a device that combines style, speed, and practicality. Its design is extremely sleek, with a smooth sandstorm finish that gives it a premium and modern look. The very thin bezels make the display appear almost edge-to-edge, enhancing the visual experience when watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through apps. Holding the phone feels comfortable and balanced, which is especially useful for long hours of usage. The OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which ensures outstanding speed and responsiveness. Everyday tasks such as browsing social media, streaming high-definition videos, and switching between multiple applications are handled seamlessly without any lag. Even heavy games, including racing, shooting, or strategy titles, run smoothly, and the high refresh rate display makes every animation and movement on the screen appear fluid and natural. The 6.78-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution is bright and colorful, producing vibrant images with deep contrasts. Watching movies, shows, or YouTube videos is a delightful experience, with colors appearing rich and lifelike. Photography on the OnePlus 15 is also highly impressive. It features a triple 50-megapixel camera system that includes a periscope telephoto lens for long-distance shots and a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. The DetailMax image engine enhances the sharpness and color accuracy of every image, allowing users to capture crisp, vibrant, and detailed photos in almost any lighting condition. This makes the phone ideal for travel photography, casual everyday shots, and nighttime photography. Whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the camera performs consistently well. Battery life is another strong feature of the OnePlus 15, with a 7,300 mAh battery supporting 120-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Users can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. Even if the battery does get low, the fast charging ensures that the phone can be quickly topped up during short breaks. Software experience is smooth and user-friendly as well. The OnePlus 15 runs Oxygen OS 16 based on Android 16, providing a clean interface without unnecessary apps or bloatware. Every swipe, tap, and transition feels fast and responsive, which enhances the overall experience. In summary, the OnePlus 15 is perfect for users who want a balanced smartphone that performs exceptionally in design, performance, camera, battery, and software, making it suitable for both work and leisure. Now let us take a closer look at the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a device celebrated for its large immersive display, advanced technology, and elegant design. The 6.9-inch 2K AMOLED screen produces sharp, vibrant, and bright visuals, making streaming movies, browsing content, or playing games an engaging and enjoyable experience. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, giving the user a premium feel during every interaction. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and it supports up to 16 GB of RAM, allowing users to run multiple applications at once without any slowdown. From high-definition video streaming to multitasking with heavy apps in the background, the device maintains excellent performance. Photography is one of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max's most impressive features. It has a Leica-powered triple 50-megapixel camera system, including a 5x periscope telephoto lens. This enables users to take highly detailed photos even in low-light environments, making it ideal for evening photography, indoor events, and nighttime cityscapes. Zoomed-in photos retain clarity, which is useful for sports events, concerts, or capturing distant objects. Video recording is also top-notch, offering smooth stabilization and accurate colors. For content creators, this phone provides tools to record high-quality footage without needing additional equipment. Battery life on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is excellent as well. With a 7500 mAh battery supporting 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, users can enjoy long hours of gaming, streaming, and work without worrying about battery drain. Even during heavy use, the fast charging allows users to quickly top up the battery in minutes. The software, HyperOS 3 based on Android 16, is highly customizable. Users can change themes, icons, layouts, and other settings according to personal preferences. This flexibility is ideal for users who enjoy adjusting their device to suit their needs. However, the larger and slightly heavier design may make extended one-handed use less comfortable compared to the OnePlus 15. For media consumption, professional photography, and gaming, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a strong choice, providing an immersive and premium experience. When comparing the two phones side by side, it becomes clear that both devices are powerful and capable. The OnePlus 15 stands out for its sleek and lightweight design, fast and responsive software, and versatile camera system suitable for everyday use. It is highly comfortable to hold and operate for long periods, whether for casual photography, browsing, or streaming content. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max excels in display size and quality, battery life, and advanced camera features, making it ideal for users who prioritize media immersion, extended usage, and professional-level photography. However, the slightly larger size can make it less comfortable for users who prefer a more compact device. Overall, the OnePlus 15 provides a balanced experience across all key areas, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. In conclusion, both the OnePlus 15 and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max are outstanding flagship phones for 2025, offering excellent features and performance. The OnePlus 15 impresses with its sleek design, smooth performance, versatile camera system, reliable battery, and clean software experience, making it an ideal phone for daily life, work, and entertainment. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max stands out with its large and vibrant display, long-lasting battery, and advanced photography capabilities, which will appeal to media enthusiasts and heavy users. Personally, if I had to choose one device, I would select the OnePlus 15. Its perfect balance of design, performance, camera, and software makes it my ideal choice, providing a premium, reliable, and enjoyable smartphone experience without compromise.